With wrapped smart contracts, you can now connect your Cardano native wallet, such as Flint wallet, directly to the Blueshift decentralized exchange that is built on Milkometer C1, the sidechain for Cardano. But now you can go to the DEX, click on the network and change it over to Cardano, and then connect your Cardano native wallet, such as Flint. Now, from here, you can go and perform all sorts of swaps on the DEX, such as swapping ADA for NMaker tokens, or copy, Blues, or Wi-Fi tokens from the Cardano index. Now, once you have those tokens in your wallet, you can actually provide liquidity onto the DEX and earn some rewards for doing so. Now, right now, we also have a campaign going on. It's the Wrap Smart Contracts campaign. And for every $10 of LP that you provide to that particular index, you will earn one raffle ticket. And that raffle ticket will go into the draw to win from the prize pool of $10,000 worth of Cardano Index LP tokens. And you can win a share of that, and you can do whatever you like with it after the distribution of those tokens. So have a look at the details in the show notes and the links down below, where you can find out a little bit more about the bounty campaign and also more information about Wrap Smart Contracts and how that innovation is going to change how users use protocols that are built on Milkometer. We're excited for a lot of these brand new improvements and changes to Milkometer and the Blueshift DEX. Please join our communities. We'd love to see you there.